I won't attempt to fly this other one today because clearly this one's really suffering with the wet grass, so we'll ruin that one. What I do have though is some 3D printed ones we can try out, so we'll do that instead. Hi guys, just been trying the Balsa glider that I converted from a chuck glider to a catapult launch. Unfortunately the grass is wet, so the Balsa glider's got quite warped when the water's got into it. So we'll have a go with Spencer Hunt's 3D printed gliders. The one on the top is the original and the one below is the one I modified, moved the hook forwards and made it bigger so it grips the rubber band properly, because I just couldn't get the original to catapult launch. It flies fine if you just throw it, but I think the hook is too far back and it's absolutely useless for trying to get a rubber band onto. You can probably see the difference between the two. Right, Spencer's original. Like the wind. There we go. So it flies fine. My modified version. Lost sight of it. Oh. Right. The catapult launch version suffers from a big problem of being much too small to see. I don't even know if the camera caught that. So it's flying, I just can't see it. There we go. Hopefully that was on the camera. Nope, lost sight of it. Gosh. Well, I don't know where it was, but it was in the air. I just can't see it. There it is. There it goes. This one I printed with PETG as opposed to PLA. The first one I printed with PLA and that shattered when it hit the ground. That one nearly had me. There we go. So yes, a real problem filming. Just too small. That's going well, that's going well, yes. Just couldn't see it. I think that's the best flight. But I think we'll call it a day, because it's hopeless. We just can't see it when it's flying. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.